Hello bachcho, let us read the question. The equivalent resistance between A and B for the mesh shown in the figure is option A 16 ohms, option B 30 ohms, option C 4.8 ohms, option D 7.2 ohms. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है writing the equivalence, writing the equivalent resistance when resistors are connected in series and parallel. In series and parallel. तो अगर हम n resistors को series में connect करते हैं, if n resistors are connected, तो उनका series equivalent resistance को it will be the sum of all the resistance values plus etc plus Rn. तो अगर n resistors का एक ही value of resistance है, so then this will be n times R. तो connections के parallel configuration, the equivalent for the parallel configuration is given by 1 by R equivalent is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 etc plus 1 by Rn. तो अगर सब के value of resistance एक ही है, then the equivalent resistance for parallel connection will be R by N. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले ये जो मेश दिए हैं, ब्रांच बाय ब्रांच हम इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस को कैलकुलेट करके फिर इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द एंटायर मेश कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे we will first take the upper part of this mesh, जहाँ पे we have 4 ohms and 8 ohms connected in series. So taking the upper part of the mesh, the equivalent resistance in series तो यहाँ पे we have for this, so the equivalent resistance for series will be, तो ये 4 ohms और 8 ohms series में है, so this will be 4 plus 8 equal to 12 ohms. Now that 12 ohms is parallel to the 6 ohms and both of these two, अभी ये जो equivalent resistance from the series और ये 6 ohms है, this entire thing, this equivalence is in series with 4 ohms and 8 ohms again. तो यहाँ पे हम फिर से we can calculate the series resistance. So here this will be 4 plus, अभी यहाँ पे parallel connection जो है उसका value plus 8. So this for the parallel connection will be 6 into the equivalent resistance from the previous calculation divided by 6 into 6 plus R equivalent from the first. Maybe we should represent this with a prime essay. So this will be 6 into 12 divided by 6 plus 12. So the value of this is essentially 6 into 12 divided by 18. तो ये 3 times cancel होगा and this will be 4 times. So the parallel equivalence will be 4 ohms. So now we can calculate the total equivalence of the entire mesh. So this is equivalence S. So this will be 4 plus 4 plus 8, and therefore this comes out to be 16 ohms. So the effective equivalent resistance of this mesh is 16 ohms. तो अब हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शन को मार्क करेंगे. So the equivalent resistance between A and B for the mesh shown in the figure is, the correct answer is 16 ohms, and the correct option is option A. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.